Hello guys, welcome to i-tutor Academy. In today's session, we will start with UNIT7 mmpc005 continuous probability distribution. So let's begin with the objectives of this chapter. After reading this unit, you should be able to identify the situations where continuous probability distribution can be applied, appreciate the usefulness of continuous probability distribution in decision making, and analyze the situations involving the exponential and the normal distribution. And let's see the structure of this unit. There is an introduction part, basic concept, some important continuous probability distribution, application of continuous distribution, summary is there, further reading section also there. So let's begin with the introduction part. In the last unit, we have examined the situation involving discrete random variable and the resulting probability distribution. Let us now consider a situation where the variable of interest may be any value within a given range. Suppose that we planning for release of water for hydropower generation and irrigation. Depending on how much water we have in the reservoir, whether it is above or below the normal level, we decided on amount and time of release. The variable indicating the difference between the actual reservoir level and the normal level can take positive or negative values, integer or otherwise. Moreover, this value is contingent upon the inflow to the reservoir, which in turn is uncertain. This type of random variable, which can take a infinite number of values, is called continuous random variable, and the probability distribution of such a variable is called a continuous probability distribution. The concept and assumption inherent in treatment of such distribution are quite different from those used in the context of a discrete distribution. The objective of this unit is to study the properties and usefulness of continuous probability distributions. Accordingly, after a presentation of the basic concept, we discuss some important continuous probability distribution which are applicable to many real life processes. In the final section, we discuss some possible application of this distribution in decision making. So here is one activity is here. You just read it and try to do it, and activities and basic concepts. We have seen that the probability distribution is basically a convenient representation of the different values a random variable may take together with their respective probability of occurrence. The random variable considered in the last unit were discrete in the sense that they could be listed in the sequence finite or infinite. Consider the following random variable that we have taken up in unit 10, that is demand for newspaper, number of trial, that is n, required to get r success, given that the probability of a success in any trial is p. So this is the this is in unit 10. So we will see further, and here is one example also, related example solution also here, and properties of a PDF also here. The properties of PDF follow directly from the axioms of probability discussion, and that is on unit 9. By definition, any probability function has to be non-negative, and the sum of the probability of all possible values that a random variable can take has to be 1. Okay, so here in unit 9 10 we will discuss one by one. So this is unit 7 only. So further videos and upcoming videos we will discuss unit 9 and 10. So you just tune that, and example 2 is here based on the solution also here. So this is only a practical session unit and subject. So you just do the you try to do this, and based on the examples and theories from your IGNOU study material, it will help you. And example 3 also here based on that, and solution also here. Okay, example 4 solution are here, and activity is based on this topic. Activity B, C, activity A is then the introduction part, activity C also here. Okay, so you just try to do it, and in case any doubt you can contact us, and for more MBA videos you can do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.
i-tutor Academy presents IGNOUMBA complete syllabus coverage classes for individual students, semester-wise subject with online and flexible timing. For more details, contact on +916 238 21785.